Yeah, yeah. Aye, super. Yeah, tell me, yeah.
Chance to get inside the site,
Please, come again.
If you go inside of the IT,
Yeah.
just call us, we will come along.
Yeah, you want to go and have a look, is it?
Yeah.
Go.
No problem.
Ada, go. Your office. There's no restriction. Go ahead, go ahead. Go. Nobody will say anything. Go around for that matter.
Hi.
Hi.